Everyone, today we are going to learn grammar with glance. As we know, grammar is the bone structure of English. One cannot read, write or improve his or her English without grammar. For that, you need to know some basics of grammar. So let us start with our 8-word class. Word class. In English grammar, there are 8 word classes according to the function a word performs in a sentence. As such, a word may belong to any one or more of the following classes depending upon how it is used in the sentences. These are the 8 word classes: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. These are the 8 word classes which allow you to construct grammatical correct sentences. Let us examine the meaning of each of these word classes. What is noun? A noun is the name of a person, a place, an animal, thing or a feeling. Noun का मतलब है किसी व्यक्ति का नाम, किसी जगह का नाम, किसी जानवर का नाम, कोई चीज का नाम या किसी की भावना. For example, Ajay is my best friend. Noun in this sentence is Ajay because it is the name of a person. हमारा यहाँ पे noun अजय इसलिए हो गया क्योंकि वो किसी व्यक्ति का नाम है. Second, do you live in America? अमेरिका noun क्यों है? क्योंकि वो एक कंट्री का नाम है. Why America? America is the name of a country. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word used in a place of a noun to avoid unnecessary and unpleasant repetition. Pronoun एक ऐसा word है जब हम noun की जगह पे उसको use करते हैं ताकि हमको किसी का नाम बार बार repeatedly use ना करना पड़े. For example, I, you, he, she, we, they, him, her, us, them. These are the example of subject pronoun. She is our new science teacher. Here, pronoun is she because I am not using anyone's name over here. मैं किसी का नाम नहीं use कर रही हूँ. She is our new science teacher. Her mother is a doctor. Her mother. I am not using anyone's name over here. Here, pronoun is her. A verb is a word that describes what the subject is doing. Along with noun, verbs are the main part of a sentence or phrase, telling a story about what is taking place. In short, a verb is an action. What action is taking place? आप क्या action कर रहे हो? What are you doing? Are you eating? Are you sleeping? Are you dancing? Mark eats his dinner quickly. Mark eats. Eats क्या हो गया? हमारा action हो गया. Mark का action है eats. तो here verb in the sentence is eats. Second, we went to the market. Action in this sentence is went. Third, you write neatly in your notebook. Verb in this sentence is write because it's an action. An adjective. An adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. Adjectives can be used to describe the qualities of someone or something independently or in comparison to something else. Adjective means noun की या pronoun की quality बताना. For example, I like old houses. Quality of house is old. What is the quality of house? Houses old. तो adjective हमारा क्या हो गया? Old. The boy is tall and skinny. Adjective in this sentence is tall and skinny. Rahul is smarter than his brother. Adjective in this sentence is smarter because वो राहुल की quality बता रहा है. An adverb, a word that tells us how, when, where, how often, how much. An adverb can modify a verb. For example, runs quickly. An adjective example, extremely small. And another adverb example, very closely. In short, adverb tells us more about verb. Verb की जानकारी देना. Verb के बारे में ज़्यादा बताना. Example, first example, he walked quickly. Walk is the verb and adverb is quickly. In this example, walked is the verb and the adverb quickly describe how the work was done. She talks loudly. Here, talks is the verb and the adverb loudly describe how the verb is done. Did you notice that both adverb ended ly? Lots of adverbs that tells us how the verb is performed end with ly. ज़्यादातर adverb हम notice करेंगे तो ly से ही end होते हैं. A preposition. A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, spatial, relationship or to introduce an object. Some example of preposition are words like in, at, on, of and to. preposition एक ऐसा वर्ड है या एक ऐसा ग्रुप है जो हम नाउन या प्रोनाउन के पहले यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द कैट इज हाइडिंग नियर द ट्री. नियर हमारा preposition क्या है ये सेंटेंस में? नियर. दे लेफ्ट फ्रॉम हियर बाय कार. फ्रॉम बाय is a preposition in this sentence. Water flow from here high level to a low level. Preposition in this sentence is from to. Conjunction is a word or phrase that connects word, phrases, clauses and sentences together. The word commonly used example of a conjunction are and, or, so, since, for, because, as, but, yet, still, while, as soon as, therefore, moreover, in case, though, although, even though, etc. are some examples of conjunction. कंजंक्शन एक ऐसे वर्ड्स है जहां हमको दो वर्ड या दो सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करना हो तब हम कंजंक्शन का उपयोग करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई ट्राई टू हिट द नेल बट हिट माई थंब इंस्टेड. हियर कंजंक्शन इन द सेंटेंस इज बट. आई ट्राइड वेरी हार्ड इन स्कूल yet I am not receiving good grades. Here conjunction in this sentence is yet. Interjection. A word that is used to show a short sudden expression of emotion. एक ऐसा word जिससे हम लोगों को कोई सेंटेंस में कोई एक्सप्रेशन या इमोशन बताना हो या कोई हैरानी वाली बात हो, जैसा हम यूज करते हैं अरे, ओ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ओ गॉड सेव अस फ्रॉम इल हेल्थ. हियर interjection in the sentence is oh God. Cheers, all the best to you for your promotion. Cheers. Cheers मेरा interjection हो गया ये sentence में. Hope the concept is clear. This 8-word class is very important which allow us to construct correct grammatical sentences. Thank you for watching me and see you in my next video.